Welcome back.
Hey,
Hey, there's Rookie.
Hey,
We're back. I thought I kicked you guys out and you're back building.
you can't keep us out.
Crazy Joe.
you can't keep me away.
Thank you. My dad, of course. Mike, welcome back.
I'm glad to be here.
You know there's a black shirt rule here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you
Somebody has to be the odd man out.
well, you
And I
qualify.
volunteered.
It's always Rook because you're supposed to have a beard, right? And
And
so
I'm still the only guy that's clean shaven.
this is like a paradox. It's a qualification. I'm telling you. Well, today we're going to be working on the bogeys. We're going to be mounting these up onto the lower hull. What we have to do is take this upper hull part right now and attach this, so we're lining it up. Mount the pins up here behind the plates, and we should see this thing hopefully up mounted on its suspension today. So these silver screws are removable ones, are they, Aaron? Is that what I'm to understand, or these ones are permanent now?
It says, note, these fasteners are swapped out during the motion pack assembly.
During the motion pack assembly,
So I
okay.
don't know what that is about.
Which
Yeah.
ones?
Until we get to
Which
that
ones?
stuff.
Okay,
The ones you're doing.
yeah,
So
well,
don't Loctite them?
so don't
Loctite
Loctite
those.
these, no. Good, I'm glad we said that out loud. That was very close. Blue Loctite, thank you. This is just gonna be a temporary
Red
thing.
Loctite.
Red Loctite can go off to the side.
Oh, put it far away, cause I'll still use
Oh,
it.
are you?
I
Okay.
drink a lot of beer. I don't really pay attention all the time.
Joe, where's your beer, Joe?
I'm working on it in a bit.
Just
Not
getting
quite done
rolling.
my coffee.
I'm gonna have like 17 screws left over. Why'd the wheel fall off?
Close enough.
Right? And these are big clubs. I don't wanna have to like, all the way over.
Big 8 pans.
There we go.
Listen, I already Loctited the front and rear one.
Do you think they, oh, did you?
Yeah, we're gonna have to
It was
take them
before
out.
we said anything.
Well, let's take them out and clean it off. That's the
He's
right
got the
thing to
driver.
do. There's more
Why are
drivers
you
right
giving
here.
me
Look at all these beautiful tools you could be using right here just to undo the one.
But then we have to put them away.
That's a very good point. There's enough to
Big
clean
work
up
project.
already. Okay, up and over, boys. We're gonna have to flip it over as per the instruction book. How heavy does it feel?
It's
not light.
Give me a pounds.
all of 25 to 30-ish.
30 pounds.
With this one, if you look, there's the left hand.
Yeah,
two
and
right
that's,
hands.
yeah, this is
And it's
left hand,
opposite.
right. And
Opposite
then
the
right,
other side.
left.
Because when you got a bump coming up, whether you're going forward or backwards, you need to have the rocker go the right direction. That's why you have a reversed bogey on there. There are 6 that have to go on there. This will be some tedious work because 1, 2, 3 at least on either side. So 18 and 18, 36. Competition for the collars has begun.
I'll just place them for now.
Rookie is clearly ahead of you, Steve.
He clearly started before me too.
That's no excuse.
No.
Come on, Joe, get back in there.
That one's got that one. We gotta pull it off. And screw it.
The concentration is thick in here, everybody. The video is silent. Silent video.
Trying to make sure we're ahead.
Yes,
Fast,
I know. There you go.
Do you have a wrench there?
Boys.
There you go.
Started
Oh, I see.
Are you seeing?
I gotcha. Okay, hurry up. We gotta kick these guys out. Not finished yet. Come on, Ricky. We're kicking out. Let's go. Come on. Oh, Mike even went around the block. Come on, we got one more.
Hey!
Joe?
I got my wash hair in my nut. Do we need some Loctite on that?
Loctite.
That is technically what that nut is for.
Blue Loctite?
Blue.
Oh, hold on.
Yep.
So we should
Oh, hey!
What?
Putting this on backwards.
Well, don't do that.
Goes this way.
Don't do that.
that goes that way.
Hey.
The washer doesn't do any good on the outside of the nut, Joe.
Amateur hour. So nice, guys. Wow. I almost want to get up to my DJ days again. But
Wait a moment.
Yeah.
That,
Is it the wrong one?
that's the wrong one, Joe.
Yeah, wrong one.
Is wrong.
Oh, honk honk.
This guy here.
What the frickin' frack?
There you go. That's acceptable.
Yes.
This is completely out of order of the book,
Oh, I know.
but these are the
This is the funnest
these
way.
are the epic ways to get it all mounted up, and then we can.
This is so it looks like something quickly for the viewers.
That's exact. Aaron nailed
Stuff
it.
will do.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, you're
yeah.
good.
That's
Okay.
so
They're
true.
not super tight, but they're on.
Okay.
We can flip it and do the other side.
Well, let's roll it towards you, Joe.
No, it's getting heavy now. I'm not picking it up anymore.
Oh, nice.
Get a
So,
friggin' hernia.
how heavy now?
It's getting heavy every time.
Gonna get a friggin' hernia pretty soon trying to pick this thing up. I'm out. Okay, you're bolting this time, Pally.
So let me see. Yep.
Yeah, we got it figured out.
We got it. We got
Right,
it.
Mike?
Yeah, absolutely. Somebody's got to know what to do.
There you go.
I guess we didn't need the
Here,
jig.
we'll hold it. You guys bolt.
Looking good, guys.
Steve,
The
you
road
should be able
wheels
to
are
get one
on.
before Rook gets to. Everything's a race, see? Everything.
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 Mechanic. I can't compete with that.
Well, I'm not a mechanic, and I still try and beat them all the time.
You do a lot of
You
wrenching.
are a mechanic.
I don't do a lot.
No, you're not a mechanic.
I'm a fiddler.
Yeah.
Little of this, little of that.
Aren't we all?
That's about it.
That's how you get through life. What? Look at this. Yeah.
Nice.
That makes me
is
happy.
cool.
Very cool. Oh, how was that? Okay, how heavy is it now?
It's pretty heavy running your hand over. You want to try?
No, I don't.
Come on,
No, I
it's
don't wanna try it.
just
All
for
right.
friends.
Ah!
That does kind of hurt.
Ah, you didn't know.
Maybe quarter finger.
Bunch of apes. Hey, put your fingers underneath it.
It doesn't hurt at all. Running over
it.
my hand for you?
Just wait, quiet. Listen to the bearings. Go. You're listening to the bearings. Very nice. Smooth. Smooth.
It's rolling away.
Okay.
Careful. We want it on flat surface
So
only.
what do we want? We want 3 screw holes, or do
Okay.
we want 2?
So this
screw
is going
holes?
to be for the
Oh,
driven
they're both got
rocket.
this.
This will be for the idler.
What are these ones? Are they all the same?
And then bearings for
These
all.
are the idlers. And this one and that one.
Come on. So the motor shaft will be coming through here.
Yes.
And then this is where the pinion goes. Right there. Yeah. That will be the drive. I see. No. Okay, Aaron, we're getting the cog ready.
Yes, the idler sprockets.
Yep.
Before though, just
Yep.
for ease assembly, if we ever have, or disassembly, if we ever have any issues, do you
Yes.
have a little bit of grease?
Oh, of course, Utter Butter, man.
Yes.
From Cow RC. That stuff is amazing. Yeah, Dad, it's
Grease
right
on
over
the
there.
shaft.
Hold on.
It's a race, Joe. There's no holding on. You know that.
The viewers expect us to pack as much into a video as possible, and if we don't get this race going, everything we do, we only get a little bit done.
Like we will get sidetracked by pistachios.
Exactly.
Pistachio grape. But we can't mention the brand because it's not like a sponsored segment. It's just, who doesn't like pistachios?
It's a long walk home.
Oh my God, we can't leave our
It's
brother
only
stranded.
a phone call away.
Come on, that's a good point. Okay, settle down, gentlemen.
I need the next 2 pieces of hardware here.
That's what would you do in jail? That's right. You just go up and give him a little stick. That's all,
You just go.
right? Make sure to break it off and then take the handle and just throw it away.
Yeah, except they go towards the sprockets. Need to bend it. It's
That is a
scraper.
mud scraper.
We just
We just
talked about
covered
that.
that. Where have you been?
Goes on the hose.
You were shivving me. Okay, so there's like the demudder. That'll be getting the mud out from inside the grooves.
Mud scraper, as
Mud
it were called.
scraper.
Oh my God, panic!
I totally did do it. No, it's right there and right there. Jeez, that's too funny. Okay, so if anybody's building this along with us, make sure when you're doing the sprocket assembly, you match up the timing dots, right? Because each sprocket has a timing dot right there, and it has to match up. So if it's a quarter turn off or something, you could be in trouble there. So make sure to do that. If you all notice, we can barely see Joe's belt. It's camouflaged. He's accessorized with an old Milwaukee hat today just to be on the show. Yeah, this is a standard There we go, nice. Nice, all mounted up. Look at the end cap here. Looking great. Okay, so now you can see where the mud scraper would be. Clearing out anything that gets stuck. The end cap protecting everything Loctited. Don't worry, you guys are like, oh, you're missing, you know, these screws on the outside. We're not. This is actually 4 arms that come off. Each one of them, this one has 2, this one has 3, this one has 3 and 2. Don't ask me why. I have no idea why they did that. Yeah, either does he. But it is that way on both sides. It's just the way it's set up. I'm sure some machinists would be able to tell us why, but
It's so that the gears line up when you're done. You can only put it on one way.
We also have timing marks too, Steve.
yeah, there is timing marks on it already. You can see we're using some channel locks for wheel chocks. Yeah, poet and I didn't know it. KJ, if you had the choice to RC anything in the world, any full-size machine, what would it be?
To turn it into RC?
Yeah.
0173. That's gonna be it. It's pointing right
That's a
there.
tough choice.
If you were filthy rich and you could have any full size in the world as an RC, what would you choose? Would it be a plane, a boat, or a truck?
Probably a plane.
A plane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aaron, if you could have a full size construction or anything you wanted, what would you do?
Well, if I was rich and had unlimited space, it'd be an excavator.
An RC. I love that. I love that.
Definitely go with the excavator.
You're gonna go with the excavator?
Yeah.
Okay, and I come back to you, sir. Full circle. What would you like to have full size RC?
Maybe a haul truck, because you can put damn near anything in it.
A haul truck, eh? And
House in the back.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think I'd like to try a side by side. I think that would be fun. I think ripping around in the
A
mud. And that,
full-size RC side-by-side?
yeah, why not?
That would be different.
It's different. We all have something totally unique. Cool. Aaron,
Yes, Aaron?
filing down the keyway, I see.
I'm just opening up the shaft on the drive sprocket a little.
Yeah.
As you see, this keyway,
Yeah.
it's nice in here, but it's a little too tight in here, and I don't want to have to hammer it in.
Yeah, I agree.
Just
Okay, Joe, I want your official opinion. We just put a key into the keyway.
Yes.
Is it a flywheel key or a Woodruff key?
In this case?
Yeah,
Woodruff key.
I disagree. I think it's a flywheel key.
Okay.
Rookie, what do you think?
flywheel key.
It's a flywheel
It's the
key.
shape. The Woodruff has the big round on it
Yeah.
and sits deep in.
Well, and this one is actually, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say, because it's being used in a mechanical way,
On a drive sprocket.
on a drive sprocket, it is a flywheel key. So there's the argument that will happen in the comment section for years to come.
Hurry up! Go! Go!
Ah, everyone's silent.
Who's winning? Rookie's winning. No, Steve. No, Rookie's. No.
Yeah, it's that very bottom one, Steve.
We're all winning, buddy. This build is epic.
I can't
Yeah,
get,
same one.
I can't get it in.
Neither can he.
Is there one on the sheet? Let's have a look.
How many does the sheet? Can you tell by the picture how many?
No.
There's no hole.
Pretty sure it's supposed to line up on all of them, but that might need to be tapped or something. I'm not sure what the deal is there.
Yeah, the cap that goes on there.
What do you think?
I think it looks pretty awesome.
It's
man.
insane.
This
Can't
is
wait to get the tracks on it now.
the
Yeah,
head of that bolt
Bogie
is
drives.
just sticking out. Different.
yeah. So cute.
Blah, 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 blah.
You guys are wearing matching hats.
Can't see the top of our
We need
head.
camo hats for our black shirts now.
There's no wash for either.
That's okay. All we need to do is lay it out straight there, Mr. Steve. Beauty. That is a long track.
I'm touching the edge of the
Well, we got
flywheel.
different lengths.
You're not. So up this side of the tank.
Yeah. Nice.
Now they look the same.
This is a big deal. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let's pull this side up.
Awesome.
Getting heavy.
Yeah.
Fingers over there and line up them bogeys.
Hey,
Huge.
I was working on it already.
So cool, guys.
Okay, same thing on the side.
Okay, drive forward.
Yeah, drive it forward. There it is. Yeah. Perfect. That's
Oh, we
plenty.
need to
There,
get-
Joe's got
we need
it.
to get this side up.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey,
Back a little bit.
picture my fingers.
Watch out.
Your fingers
We
over
really should do that at
Hey,
the same.
settle
Yeah.
down.
Same time. No, we want the same length on both, guys.
Oh, it sounds like a tank too, doesn't
It
it?
does sound like a tank.
Okay, stop.
Where'd it go?
Is there a washer?
Oh no!
There's a washer.
Okay, so the tank track itself, everyone's going to say that it's supposed to be way more tight than that. What is your experience in looking at Ferdinand tanks while we've been
They do droop in
researching?
the middle like this.
They do.
You see there'd be no, if we brought it across straight,
That's
there'd be
right.
no way.
That's right.
They-
So it's supposed to go down
They
like
do
that.
droop like this. Now, we haven't actually done our final adjustment though, so.
That's right.
We
No
will take
tensioning.
up a tiny bit of slack.
We'll just slap
Exactly.
taking some of that out.
Yeah,
for
it's
sure.
always looked pretty sloppy though while it was rolling
They do.
along.
They
Yeah,
look very sloppy.
For debris going through the bogeys a lot easier.
Oh, absolutely.
very good
Roll
point.
it.
Roll it.
See how easy my finger rolled over there?
Holy cow, it just rolled by itself.
And under it.
Oh, how is that? Oh,
It's like being ran over by a tank.
so insane.
This whole upset?
Yeah, I saw that.
See what I mean by debris going through there so easy?
Yeah.
That's friggin' awesome.
Is it amazing?
Well, there's tensioners on
What do you think?
sprockets.
One of the biggest RCs you've seen, Dad?
That's big. That's an amazing piece of machinery.
So amazing, man. Just the way it sounds. It has a way to just it just rolls on its own. So much work to still do on this thing. Good job, boys.
Just getting started.
Yeah, just getting started.